Okay, so if you guys were there for the live stream today, Exotic went over daily profiles. However, my dumbass did not record it properly, so here I am making this fucking video on daily profiles. Okay, let me just pull up a picture of one of Exotic things. Hold on, copy image, paste. Okay, can I paste it? Okay, great. All right, so there's three daily profiles. Okay, the main one being the classic buy and sell day. Okay, hold on, daily profiles. Okay, daily profiles. The main one being the classic buy and sell day. I don't want to say main, but this is what you will see most commonly for the market maker models. So it's gonna look something like this, right? You will see an accumulation during the Asia range, a manipulation, and then your distribution during the New York, right? This is your classic buy day right here, right? Is essentially AMD. Let me highlight this. Okay, oh, I don't want to. Okay, well, that's a little try hard. I'm not doing that. Okay, just visualize it. Okay, this is Asia, this is London, this is New York. Okay, AMD, this is your classic buy day. And the sell day, your classic sell day, is the other way around, vice versa. So it looks something like this. So we accumulate during the Asia range, right? We manipulate. Okay, I'm stupid. Let me just redo that again, right? Okay, we accumulate during Asia range, right? We manipulate to the upside, and then we distribute during New York. See? Now this is your classic sell day, right? A key thing that Exotic said was you're looking for Asia's high or low, Asia's high or low to not get taken during the manipulation. Why? Because that is what we will be targeting during the distribution of New York. Okay? So we pretty much leave this high up here for a reason, right? For price to accumulate, manipulate to the downside. Okay, if you were trading the market maker model, right? And this is where your smart money reversal happens. You want price to tap into a key level, okay, a high time frame PDRA. Now, for a classic buy or sell day, price does not need to tap into a key level. It just needs to fucking manipulate to the downside, right? Sweep liquidity and distribute, right? Once in the distribution phase, you're pretty much targeting the Asia session high and then other draws of liquidity. Same thing, vice versa, right? Accumulation, manipulation, targeting Asia session low and then other draws of liquidity down here. If this was a um, market maker sell model, you want price to come up into a key level, your high time frame PRA, 1 hour above, for your smart money reversal to happen. So this is your classic buy and sell day. Let's move on to the next. Your your trend day. So hold on, where's this tool? Your trend day. Where's this thing? Okay. So pretty much on a trend day, right? Asia session, London session, New York session, right? We're trending, just continuing a trend. So this usually happens, right? If price has tapped into a key level on a super high time frame. So like let's say price the day before, right? Tapped into a daily fair value gap, daily volume imbalance, whatever, right? This is when you will most likely see a trending day because the level that we tapped into was so high confluence, right? That price just shows a really strong reaction. Does that make sense? Okay, oh, cut that part. I was kind of retarded. But right, price is trending because we tapped into a high time frame PD array or a key level and it's just showing a really strong reaction out of it. This is the type of reaction we'll see after price tapped into a key level. Just a trend day. Asia session, London session, New York session, just continuing a trend. Okay. Um, Last but not least, we have our seek and destroy. Seek and destroy. Destroy lonely. Okay, where's my path? So, um, there's two examples that Exotic has shown, but let me go over the first one. This is your Asia range, your London, and then your New York, right? Pretty much no narrative, right? No sense of direction. We're just going back and forth, seeking and destroying, literally, right? This is straight up accumulation, and you will find this condition during No News Monday or days before high impact news or even Friday. Okay. Another example is another example of seek and destroy. We're going to have accumulation during Asia session, accumulation during London session, and then like little expansions during London session. So when this happens, right, price is going to accumulate, and then later on, price might find like a narrative, right, where price wants to go, like a bias. So maybe during PM session, price wants to continue to the downside, right? Then we'll do something like this. If we scale out, this is pretty much an AMD, right? We get accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? If we don't want to expand and we don't have a bias, we will do the same thing, right? We notice these two similar things, right? This will happen same thing during Mondays, right? No news Mondays before high impact news. But conditions like these, price may also find a bias and continue to the draw. It might also look like this. It doesn't have to be, but this shit is ugly. But you get the idea, right? Now our draws of liquidity are to the upside. But let's just go over these one more time. So pretty much this are three, my grammar is cooked, but this is our three daily profiles, right? We have our classic buy and sell day, our trend day, and then our seek and destroy. Let's go over to the real charts. Okay. Well, so I decided to start off with the trend day, right? As we can see, this is a trending day, right? Asia session, London session, New York session, right? We're in a trend. Well, for us to have a trending day, right, we need price to tap into a key level. So let's see what we tapped into. Okay, bro. Boom, boom, boom. What day was that? August 8th, around here. What am I using? Okay, well, maybe we should not use these charts. There we go. I already have a good example here. Okay, so August 29th. Let me go back, bro. This is cooked. Okay, 28th, 29. Okay, somewhere around there. Okay, yeah, okay, this box, whatever. Okay, what did price come down and tap into? We came down and filled a daily volume imbalance, okay? And that is what caused price to be in a trending day. As you can see right here, we came down to a daily volume imbalance. From there, we showed a strong reaction. Boom, that's what caused us to have a trend day, okay? That's an example of a trend day. Let's go find, okay, this is a good example of a your classic sell day, right? So we have accumulation during the Asia session, right? A little the manipulation during London session, keeping this Asia session low intact, like we said, right? And from there, after the manipulation, we come down, take out Asia lows and other draws of liquidity. In this case, this would be our draw of liquidity. I mean, obviously we came down lower, but that's all hindsight, right? And if we were trading market maker models, right? Okay, maybe I don't get into that. I'll save that for another video. But this is your classic sell day, okay? Your classic sell day. Let me find an example of a classic buy day. Skibbity. Okay, we're gonna cut that out. Where is the buy day? Okay, I mean, not exactly in like a buy model, so it's be pretty hard to find. Mm, I guess this is kind of like a buy day right here. Asia session, Asia session accumulation, right? London manipulation, we keep this high intact, right? New York session would distribute, take out this high, right? This could be a buy example, a buy day example. Let me find another one. Look, I know this might seem like it's cherry picking, but I just want to show good examples, okay? Hmm. Unless I'm just retarded. If I can't find one in the next 10 seconds, I'm gonna crash out. Okay, I think I see one right here. Okay. This is this is really ugly PA, but okay, Asia session accumulation, right? London session manipulation, and then okay, this is a little weird, but oh, that's probably news. But right, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, this is your classic buy model or your buy day. Does that make sense? Okay, it is ugly, but you will see these happen very often. And me personally, I do use the daily profiles over like having a daily bias, right? Because if I could identify the daily profile, then I know what I'm looking for throughout the day. So since we're in like a cell, it's like easier to find sell, but I think it'd be easier when I explain market maker models. But um, yeah, that's pretty much it for the chart explanation. Let's go back. Okay, I deleted that. I forgot. But yeah, that is the three daily profiles. Um, your classic buy and sell day, your trend day, and your seek and destroy. Okay, and be very wary of those. And make sure which profile we are in. Make sure you know which profile we are in because depending on which one we're in, it might fuck up your bias. If that makes sense. Um, like, let me give you an example. Okay, I thought here. Okay, a lot of these people. Okay, the way I trade, right? I base it off of like Asia sweep, whatever, right, or London sweep, right? I thought we were gonna be bullish here, right? A lot of people here were looking bullish, right? They were waiting for like every single fair value gap, or they're trying to long off of it, whatever, right? I was bullish here, but right, we just had to scale for a minute and then look at the daily profile. What are we in? We're in a classic sell day, right? Just because we swept these London lows, right? It wasn't gonna be like a little buy model. I was expecting a buy model personally here. What do we tap into on a higher time frame? Okay, well that doesn't make me look. That makes me look like a shitter. But I was looking for fucking longs that day. Um, like a dumbass, right? But we all make mistakes. But just make sure you know what daily profile we're in, because that might save you from losing a trade. But until next time, deuces.